Hello guys, it's your technician here. Today we have a Samsung Diamond Drum washing machine. It fills with water, it washes, but it doesn't spin or drain. This is common problem with most washing machines, or most Samsung washing machines. Let's get into it. First, we must make sure that the drum is empty, doesn't have water. If there is water, you must take it out. There is a service cap here, but you must do this thing outside. Otherwise, your house will be filled with water. So this cap, there is no water here. So let's test the spin. Spin side. Start. So the pump is not running. Usually you can hear the pump when it's running, and you can hear the actuator when it's engaging. You see, the only thing that is running is a palisade. This whole drum must turn. So now it's only turning that wheel inside. So now what you have to do, you have to flip the washing machine. I'll show you. Flip it. Just be careful not to break. Yeah. So this is the actuator. This is the pump that drains water out. This one. So when it spins, this actuator engages. Then it pulls this thing, this gear. This is a gearbox, and this is a motor. So when motor turns, then the actuator engages. The whole drum must turn. So now I checked, all my wires are fine, everything is fine here. So the problem is the support. I'll show you. So I'll flip back the washing machine. So this is the pot. You must open this top cover, and you will see the pot. There is 2 screws. The pot. There is 4 screws that attach the pot to the cover. And screw. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe and comment. There is our pot. So our pot, unfortunately there is a glue here, so you can't reach the pot. There is a glue that is protecting water. So now we have to open the pot here. We must open it. I'm using a grinder, a small grinder, to open here. You can use whatever you have. but you must be careful not cut the lines, otherwise your pot will fail. Yeah, you see this thing, it's a transistor. That's the one that sends the power to the pump and the actuator. So we replaced it. It's on the corner. If you check here, it's on the corner here. It's soldered. We soldered it. So I'll make a video showing you how to test it and how to solder it properly, nice and clean. So now we have to take it back and test the washing machine. So, opposite. Don't worry about the clips that will mix the wires. It's color coded, so you have to make sure that you put in colors. Is yellow to yellow, red to red, and then white, and this one clip. Now take the screws. There's 4 screws. Cover. Let's make sure it clips. Then there's 2 screws, last screws. Now let's put the power like it. Now we must test the spin cycle. Pump is running, actuator engages, everything is in order. Now it will spin. Boom. Problem solved. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.